Brad Williams, XL Prime.
Forcing text to appear on a new line within a cell. If you have a lengthy text in a cell, you can force Excel to display it in multiple lines within the cell. We're going to go into a little different technique here where we're going to use some other tools, and character happens to be one of those particular tools. Character 10 is just a method that will break a line. I find it to be a horrible method, in that if you need to modify this particular technique, it is a bloody nightmare. Down the road, you'll see why when we get into formula creation. Using wrap is a much better technique. This is how it works. Just go, see, we have a long sentence here that needs to break instead of running into the grid line. You can hit delete to break it. So let's just go backwards first. Hit Alt and then hit Enter. And now it's a break. If I want to break it again here, instead, I hit Alt Enter. If this line is narrowed out, you can widen the row length. You can go up here to Format, Auto Fit Row Height, and that will work. Or you can play around with this any way you want. You can also take this same technique, Control C, Control V, and it just copies and pastes. And then we're just going to hit delete to break this. And then we're going to hit delete to break it again. We're going to close up this, hit wrap text again, hit format, row, auto fit row height, and it does the same thing. But you can see now this is just one sentence, a non-broke sentence. And here you're going to see it's broken in 3 different lines. You hit Alt+Enter to enter it, or you can use character 10 if you're doing formulas. And to break it, just use delete.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.